Hey techs, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Gmail address username. As of early 2026, you can change your Gmail address username once every 12 months, with your old address to become an alias to receive mail. To change it, first log into your Gmail from your desktop. Click on your avatar located on the upper right hand corner. Now click on Manage Your Google account. On the left hand side, click on Personal Info. Now click Email. Click the email address used to identify your Google account to you and others. You may need to re-enter your password. Finally, click on the Change Google Account Email button. And that's it. After you change your name, it sometimes takes a few days to update across all Google products. Other people with whom you may have communicated might have saved the old name in their contacts. This name will not be updated. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.